Hello everyone, welcome to Networker Zone. Today we have Dheeraj with us. So Dheeraj, can you tell me about yourself?
Yes, my name is Dheeraj. Currently, I am studying in Networker Zone about my cybersecurity course. I am from Haryana, and my brother suggested me to take admission here because this is the best institute for networking.
Can you tell me about your trainers and how you feel about their teaching?
Yes, there have multiple trainers like Ajay sir, Sanjay sir, Sushil sir, and they are very kind and helpful. They are solving our doubts.
Can you tell me about your experience with Networkers Home?
There are physical devices, lab access, and there are drive access of recording sessions, and there are also live sessions of classes, and there are even the servers. Also, you can practice on it, and you can come also there and practice with your real devices. Also, if anyone interested to learn networking, so you can join Networkers. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you for your valuable feedback.